In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your bank account in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or an accounting professional, this is an essential skill that ensures your records are accurate and up to date. So let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, we'll need to head over to QuickBooks. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, simply enter your login credentials to access your account. Now that we are in, look towards the top of your dashboard where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking Settings will unveil a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Reconcile. This step will lead us to the part of QuickBooks where we manage our bank reconciliations, a crucial activity to ensure financial accuracy in your books. Now that we're on the reconciliation page, what we need to do is choose the specific bank account you wish to reconcile. You'll see a list of accounts you've linked. Just click on the one that's your focus for today's session. It's important to ensure you're working on the right account to avoid any unnecessary confusion or errors. With your bank account selected, we're moving on to the next part, and that's entering the ending balance and the ending date for your reconciliation period. The ending balance is the total amount shown on your bank statement at the close of the period you're reconciling. Entering the correct date and balance is vital because they are used as baseline figures against which your entries are reconciled. Once you've entered this information, what you'll need to do is hit Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will then guide you into the details of your transactions for that period. This is where you check that everything recorded in QuickBooks aligns with your bank statement. It's all about ensuring every payment, deposit, and charge is accounted for and matches up. And just like that, after verifying your records, you have completed the reconciliation. You've ensured that your books are a true reflection of your financial accounts. This step is crucial in maintaining accurate financial records, allowing you to keep track of cash flow, manage expenses, and prepare reports with confidence. Congratulations on mastering this important feature in QuickBooks. Remember, reconciling your accounts regularly keeps your business finances in tip-top shape and makes tax time a breeze. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.